How to create a database in DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. In the Account Manager section, click MySQL Management. It is the MySQL Database Management interface, where you can create new databases, or manage existing ones. Click Create New Database. Create database name and password in the text input boxes provided. You can have the same database name as a database user, or have a different database user. For a different database user, uncheck this box and enter the new database user in the text input box. When ready, click Create Database. Copy and save these listed values you will need, if connecting to this database from a script or program. Here it shows the just created database. From this page, you can manage and modify user privileges. In the existing databases, we will learn about it in other tutorials. Thank you for watching.